In this video, we are going to create a beautiful moonlight night scene using Microsoft Paint. It will show a peaceful night scene with a glowing moon and a starry sky and a peaceful landscape. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. First select diamond and drag 3 to 4 diamonds. Adjust it like this. Select the fill tool and fill the area by choosing different colors. Go to resize, click on pixel, deselect aspect ratio, make horizontal size 1, then click OK. Again go to resize, click on pixel, deselect aspect ratio, enter the same size again, then click OK. Select pencil tool and change the color and draw it like this to represent a water waves. Select the oval tool from the toolbar. Draw a large circle to represent the moon. Select airbrush. Select this color. Spray here like this to make moon more realistic. Select this brush. Change the color and draw a line. Now select gray color. Click on select and select freeform selection and drag it like this. Click here, change the color, take it down using down arrow and delete it. Select pencil and increase size using Ctrl++ and draw a tree structure here. Select airbrush and spray on the branches to make tree more realistic. Select the star, use white color and draw the star. We hope you enjoyed learning how to create a moonlight night scene in Microsoft Paint. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.